Hey everybody, today we're talking about a feast. And in feasts, sometimes you might have a giant turkey. Kind of like the one, wait, the one next to me is kind of moving.
Surprise! I am a turkey.
Bubba, that was you the whole time?
Yeah, it was me the whole time.
You're wearing a turkey on your head.
I am a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
That is so silly.
Yeah.
Well, since you're here with me, do you think you could help me with our activity sheet?
Oh, yeah, that'd be fun.
I am so excited because we are talking about turkey, so it's pretty perfect that you showed up with a turkey on your head.
Oh, okay. That'll be fun.
All right,
I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Let's take a look at our activity
Okay.
sheet. It's called Scribbles and Shapes.
Yeah.
Turkey edition.
Oh, like Bubba.
Like Bubba. Now, if you look here, we have a little turkey, but
Yeah.
it definitely is missing something.
yeah.
Let's read the directions.
Okay.
It says draw different colored ovals around the turkey to create the feathers.
Yeah.
So we need to draw the feathers on the turkey.
Okay.
Now, we can use as many different colors as we want to.
Oh, okay. Can I pick?
You can pick. You want to help
okay.
me?
Yeah, I can help you.
All right, what color should we start with
let's
first?
start with yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Let's do yellow. Why did you pick yellow, Bubba?
Because it's my favorite color, of course.
It's your favorite color. Why is it your favorite color?
Because it's the same color as bananas.
Oh, it's the same color as
Yeah.
bananas. You're right. Now I'm going to do one on both sides here. We'll
Okay.
draw two ovals. Now,
Perfect.
what's the other color we should use?
How about green?
Green. What
Yeah.
a great choice.
I like green too.
So I'm going to make another big oval
Oh,
for the
cool.
feathers. Same on this side.
Awesome.
All right, now what other color should I use?
How about blue?
Blue.
Yeah.
That's a good choice.
Yeah.
We'll make another big oval, another big oval,
Wow.
and then I need one more color for the top feather.
How about red?
red?
Yeah.
I like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna kind of go over the instructions here so we can make
yeah.
that feather
Nice and
nice
big.
and big.
Yeah.
Now, I'm
Oh.
gonna color them in a little bit,
Yeah.
and we're gonna make them connect the turkey.
Oh,
There we go.
I
Gonna get
love
my
it.
blue.
Yeah, the blue, and
The
you're gonna
blue
color
one,
blue.
we're gonna color it in.
Ooh, beautiful.
Look at that. This
Man,
is
you're
a
great at
colorful
this.
turkey.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm loving it.
You're loving it? You
Yeah.
think you could do this too, Bubba?
Oh, I want to do it too.
Oh my goodness. It
I
is
might
so
make-
much fun.
I might make my feathers a pattern like
Ooh.
yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow,
That's
orange.
very smart. I think you
Yeah.
definitely should do
That would
that,
be
Bubba.
fun.
All right, I'm almost done with the green
Okay.
feathers.
Wow, great job.
Thank you.
You're
thank
staying in the
you.
lines.
And then last one, I'm gonna do yellow.
Yellow, my
Color
favorite.
Yellow, Bubba's favorite color. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Oh my goodness, and Bubba, look at this turkey.
Oh yeah, it looks great.
How fun is that?
That was a
And we
blast.
can color the turkey in too.
Yeah.
Now, Bubba, we
Uh-huh.
made the ovals, but there's another way we can make the feathers on our
Really?
turkey.
No way.
Really?
Oh, this is gonna be
So,
awesome.
This is the markers. This is how you make the
Oh.
ovals with the
Wow,
markers.
that is
But let's
beautiful.
put this to the side because there's another
Okay.
way we can do it.
Yeah.
Now we're drawing feathers, right, Bubba?
Yep.
So a great idea is to get some colorful feathers.
Whoa.
And we can glue the feathers on the
No
turkey.
way. Okay, let's do
Okay.
it.
What colors do you
Oh,
think I
yeah.
should use first?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, that's not yellow, silly.
Oh, that's blue.
blue.
I was tricking
Nah,
you.
you were tricking me.
Good catch, Bubba.
Yeah.
What other color should I use?
Blue now, blue.
Blue, since I
Yeah.
have it in my hand too, that was
Yep.
perfect.
Blue.
And we can glue these on later. We're just gonna
Oh,
set them on
okay.
the turkey just to see how
Yeah.
the feathers look. I'm
Oh,
gonna do orange.
Orange.
And then maybe
good
a
idea.
red one. What do you think?
Red, yeah.
And then how about we do another yellow?
Oh, yeah, yellow,
Oh,
my
look,
favorite.
this one's shorter. This one's perfect.
Oh,
And then
wow.
how about green?
Oh, and green's a good choice.
And then, oh, look at this purple one. This one's really
oh,
pretty.
that's pretty. I like
Isn't
that purple.
pretty? And then
Yeah.
we can do, let's do another blue one.
Okay.
And look at that
Oh,
colorful
wow. That's a lot of feathers.
turkey. That's a lot of feathers. How
Yeah.
much fun is that?
That
And
was
look here.
fun.
Here's a yellow feather for
Oh,
you.
for my hat.
Isn't that so great?
I love it.
I love it. Okay, so Bubba, do you want to start decorating your turkey?
Yeah. I want to do it. I want to do it with feathers.
You want to do it with feathers?
Yeah.
The feathers are so much fun, and everybody out there has that same activity sheet,
Oh, wow.
and they get to make the feathers for their turkey too.
How fun.
All right, let's get started making our turkey feathers.
All right.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Bye, everyone.